How we are going to do that is take the chopped or cutted mangoes in cubes and we are going to blend it in a blender until we have a smooth mango shake ready. Ta-da! Your mango shake is ready to be served. We need 2 glasses of full cream milk, 1 mango cut into small cubes, cashews 2 to 3 chopped to decorate, 2 tablespoons of sugar, cherries to decorate, and 2 tablespoons of thickened cream. That's it with the ingredients. Making mango shake is a 2-step process. Firstly, we are going to make the mango puree. How we are going to do that is take the chopped or cutted mangoes in cubes in a blender and then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you like too sweet, then maybe you can add 3 tablespoons, but I think 2 should be sufficient because mango itself is so sweet. And then we are going to blend it until we have a smooth puree. Now we have our mango puree ready. As you can see, the mango pulp is absolutely ready. At this point, we are going to add 2 glasses of full cream milk, and 4 to 5 cubes of ice. This is very important. And we are going to blend it in a blender until we have a smooth mango shake ready. Let's check. Look at this. Our mango shake is almost done, but as you can see, it's little thin in consistency. At this point, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of thickened cream to it. And let's blend it again. One last blend. Let's serve our mango shake. Take a glass and pour it. Wow, look at it. It's so frothy and so tempting. I'm going to just top it up with some chopped cashews at the top and 1 glazed cherry to give that extra tinge. Ta-da! Your mango shake is ready to be served.